Kimigayo is the national anthem of Japan. The lyrics of Kimigayo are probably the oldest among the world's national anthems, and with a length of 32 characters, they are also the world's shortest. The lyrics are from a waka poem written by an unnamed author in the Heian period, and the current melody was chosen in 1880, replacing an unpopular melody composed by John William Fenton 11 years earlier. Its length of 11 measures is currently among the world's shortest. While the title Kimigayo is usually translated as His Imperial Majesty's reign, no official translation of the title or lyrics has been established in law. From 1888 to 1945, Kimigayo served as the national anthem of the Empire of Japan. When the empire was dissolved following its surrender at the end of World War II, the state of Japan succeeded it in 1945. This successor state was a parliamentary democracy, and the polity therefore changed from a system based on imperial sovereignty to one based on popular sovereignty. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.